Located in Villa Park in White Sulphur Springs, this beautiful brick home has a very spacious open floor plan. This home offers 4 bedrooms and 2 and 1/2 baths. Less than 1,000 feet from the Gunnoe Memorial Park and Lynch Field that features the new community pool, track, tennis courts, basketball courts, softball fields. This is a must-see. 2-car attached garage with paved driveway. Pretty yard with mature trees, landscaping and brick wall in the rear. There's also a large open rear deck perfect for cookouts, telling stories and making memories. Very spacious open living room. Awesome kitchen with lots of cabinetry and counter space plus center island will certainly please the cook and baker. Dining area with French doors leading out to rear open deck. Laundry room with a 5x5 pantry for extra storage. Half bath. Master bedroom is very spacious with a oversized walk-in closet. Master bathroom. Bedroom 2. Bedroom 3. Hallway bathroom. Bedroom 4. Full walkout basement with plenty of room for extra storage.